All right, guys. Today, I'm at Mama's house with brother, and we're gonna try to put some different kind of foot pegs on the Harley. We got electric.
Make it easy.
Yeah, that's my brother Floyd. It's his wife Angel. It's me, Mom. And we're gonna put on these kind of foot pegs that angle down. Yeah, you put them on right there and they angle down and all that. Where I've not fooled with these much, where it's going to be a learning curve. But I will leave a link in the description when we're done. Where if you like them, you can order some. And here we go.
Oh yeah. I like the way you do that right there. I got her ass whooped. So, silver. Silver out. Bolt this way. That's the same way we had it, ain't it?
Yeah. Come around the other side. There you go.
Yeah. Rubber. Down there. See, hold still long enough wheel gear.
But it's supposed to be like straight out this
I
way.
know, but we're gonna start this great. And then we're gonna look.
Right there.
We're gonna look.
Nope. Just gotta go out more, straight out.
Straight
Yep.
out.
Yep.
And this guy's got to turn.
Yep. Right there.
Oh, we're getting there, baby. Oh, drop it a little bit, maybe. Cross some shifter. You want honey.
it, guys. A highway foot peg system from Amazon. I will put a link in the description, and you can see this video to try to help you put it on yours if you order some. I know for me and what I wanted, and to have the foot peg facing the ways I wanted them, this is close. Now, I may learn to love this better, but it's not exactly the way I was imagining when I ordered them. There's no instructions with them, no tools with them, so I think it's a 5/16 Allen socket is for that, and for this adjustment and that adjustment, and a 1/4 for this adjustment. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, and thanks for watching. I try to do a video a week. This is the Officer Boys, and I will see you in a few days.